I don't know what you're hearing, I don't know what you think I said. I don't know why you think such a thing. Let me repeat that.
Greetings, beloved family. I am Mario, the speaker, here today to deliver not just a message, but a profound blessing. What flows from my lips is not merely my own thought. It is divine wisdom from a life fully lived. Grandpas carry a deep sense of humor, an unwavering simplicity, timeless style, and unmatched comfort. Reflect on this if you haven't.
But know this, I apologize. See these bags and wrinkles under these eyes. I'm missing you. I've missed you since day one. Broken hearted love.
All of this is for you, baby. Held so tight, man, what a feeling. He was alright. There's a baby. Everything, my true.